Hello, my dear students. Wish you a very happy New Year's. A new year, a new start, and way to go. Wish you a successful and glorious new happy new year, my dear students. So, today we are going to learn a new chapters, especially riddles. Already part 1 video discuss, and today we discuss the part 2 question answers. So all of you watch the video up to the last. There is a very interesting things also we discussed in this video. So all of you ready and keep the textbook in front of you. So students, look at over here. One questions. Now try and make your own riddles about two other species. Ask those riddles in your class and draw picture of the two species in your notebooks and write their names. So all of you make your riddles by your own. Okay, so one riddles I tell you. Can you think, students? Please start thinking. I will starting my words. Listen very carefully. I spread my fragrance far and wide. Once again, I repeat, I spread my fragrance far and wide. I love exotic dishes like biryani. I give yellow color to the dish. I look like fine hairs. Tell me, who am I? Yes, all of you start thinking and write your answer in comment box. So proceed to the next questions. So look at the students in the page number of your textbook. Here, find out which spices are used in your home for cooking. Make a list and look at your friends list too. Yes, this one is do it by your own, students, that you need to find out which spices are used in your house for cooking. You can ask from your mother that which spices she used for making that particular dish, and make a list and look at your friend list too. We can compare. So they, and please everybody write the names properly. So the next questions: when your grandparents were young, which spices were used most in their kitchens? Find out from them and write here. So yes, a student, in home you can ask from grandparents when they are young, and which spices were used most in their kitchens. So write your answer by your own. Moving to next questions. Yes, another question is very interesting, students. Very good questions. Name one spice which is put into both sweet and salty things. Yes, this is also, students, you will think in your home which one is spice which is used into both sweet and salty things. So start thinking, students, and write their answer. Okay. And the last question, you see, find out what is put into food to make it taste sour. This question also very easy, students. You can think and write your answer. Okay. So moving to next page. I am Kuttan. I live in Kerala. Yes, student. Kerala, where in the map? All of you remember the map also very. So look, student, Kerala in Indian map, exact locations. So everybody once see the map in your textbook also it is given. So there is a garden of spices in the backyards of my house. Yes, student, Kuttan, she live in Kerala, and there is a garden of spices in the backyard of my house, she told. There I see plants of tej patta. Tej patta is what, students? Look at the picture of tej patta. So bay leaf, you know. So adding tej patta leaves to food helps in improving digestion. If I talk about cardamom, look at the picture, students. Cardamom common name in elaichi. You can find out elaichi in your kitchen. And students, important, it's very important taste and flavor enhancers for biryanis, pulaus, and sweet dishes. You will find it in your this type of dish. You can easily find uh, in this cardamom elaichi. Okay, students. Also, so next you see students, black pepper, kali mirch. Okay, students, black pepper, kali mirch give a flavor and taste to the dishes. It's a flavoring agent. Okay, so usually your mother add this dish black pepper to the various dishes to make tasty. Okay, students, black pepper also known as the king of spices that has lot of health benefits, and major benefits of consuming this pepper is that weight loss. Students, it also said to good for digestions. So this is the important things. And when these spices added to the foods is make, I already told, the food is get taste bitter and spicious. So that's what's about the black pepper. See the picture, students, carefully. So these three spices available in cotton garden of spices in the backyard of her house, and these three plants of tej patta, small and big cardamoms and black pepper grow over there. So garden of spices in Kerala. Point to be noted, students. Now everyone, look at here. What is this, students? What is this packet? Garam masala. Of course, you can find out in your home. Garam masala packet, blended spice powder. Yes, my dear students, a powder of a mixtures of several spices like cardamom, small and big cardamom, clove, cumin seed, jeera, cinnamon. So these all spices you will find in garam masala, students. Now all of you get ready to eat one of very very delicious food, and you feel very nice to eat that one. Can you guess what is that food items in the pictures shown in the video? Can you guess, students? Yes, of course. This is what is a spicy potato chats. So today we are going to make aloo chat, spicy potato chat. So all of you very excited to eat this one. Yes, students. So let's first we need boiled potatoes. Okay, boiled potatoes. See, students. Then we give some salt, red chili powder, mango powder, amchur or lemon according to taste. So get ready to eat this one. First we need to roasted cumin seeds, jeera. Okay, black salt and garam masala, as I already discussed about the garam masala. So these all thing, and fresh coriander leaves that is available. Okay, students, so these all material with you. Now the first thing is peel the boiled potatoes and cut them into small pieces. Now add salt. Okay, 1 tablespoon chaat masala powder, red chili powder, mango powder, or lemon juice according to taste. Okay, students, 1 tablespoon black salt, you can add it. Okay, so students, to make your chat more delicious, 4 to 5 finely chopped green chilies, add a roasted cumin seeds, black salt, coriander's powder. Okay, so like this, 4 to 5 finely chopped green chilies you can add it in your aloo chat. 8 to finely chopped mint leaves you can add. Okay, so mint leaves also give the very nice taste. Okay, and flavor. So pinch of garam masala can also be added at the end. Okay, students, onion, you can give some onions. Okay, and mix the potato well. Sprinkle chopped coriander leaves on top. Now your spicy chat is ready to eat. It's very delicious, students. So it's very easy to prepare with such a very nice spices, and it's very tasty. Okay, and that feel very nice when you eat this. So here few question is also there. Did you enjoy the potato chats? You write your experience. Just imagine if there was no spices to make the potato chat, how would it taste? So students, you write your observations. Try to learn and make a different kinds of chats and enjoy it with all your friends in class. So you just see all the spices we are added that make the flavor and taste to the such a nice aloo chats, spicy potato chats. Okay, so how do spice lace and very spicy thing feel on your tongue? So write your observations, experience in these questions, and it's very delicious, spicy. I hope you all are enjoy very much. So now here we conclude the video, part 2 video of this chapter, spicy riddles. So, so that's all for today, class students. Thank you. Stay safe.